Hey, Austin Floyd here, data-driven marketer and agency owner. In this video, I want to break down for you why your Facebook profitability might actually be going down the drain. And if you haven't yet, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified when videos just like this come out in the future. Let's dive into it. One of the most important metrics that is kind of hidden for Facebook ads is, can you guess? The feedback score. Yeah, so a lot of e-commerce companies don't even know that something called the feedback score exists because there isn't an easy way to access it. Below, I'm actually gonna drop the link so you can click through, make sure to bookmark the video, come back, bookmark that link, and check it very often. But for e-commerce stores that actually have a high density of customers coming through and customers leaving reviews, oftentimes you can see that this actual score is impacting your ad impressions and the costs that you're getting daily. So for instance, if you are at a 5, don't worry about it. You are seeing the best prices you can. But as that score starts to drop down, you start to see prices gradually increase. Now, what is happening is Facebook is essentially recognizing your storefront as something not trustworthy, as people not being happy using your store and doing it through Facebook ads. So as you get down the chain, you go from a 5 to a 4, a 4 to a 3, you start to see prices increasing. Now, once you get to the 3 to 2 level, this is where you really need to be careful. Make sure that you are doing everything you can on the customer service side, because as soon as you drop from 2 to 1 or 2 to 1.5, you're going to see cost dip between 0.5 and 1 on ROAS, which is incredibly more expensive to buy impressions, and it's a lot harder to actually see profitability. And then if you drop below 1, you will actually see your page get disabled from advertising. So my advice, make sure you're doing everything you can on the customer support side. Click the link below to check the feedback score often and make sure that you aren't doing anything you shouldn't be. If you are already using the feedback score, let me know below how it's been impacting you. Otherwise, make sure to press the subscribe button so you get notified when videos and cool tips like this on Facebook get released in the future.